Hey everybody, we're back with another funky looking keyboard. It's mechanical and it's a no-namer. It's a Chinese type knockoff, and of course I've got myself a nice white mouse to go with it. I don't know how you say that. Daru, and Magegee. We're gonna go with that. Magi, maybe. I don't know. Magegee. So yeah, quite like the colorway that they've used in this one. And yeah, just found it for 10 bucks and I thought, oh, mechanical. It's got, let's see if I can pull one of these switches. And we should probably lock out windows here. Let's see if I can actually do this. There we go. All right, sorry about that. Yeah, so I think they're like a brown switch. Is that a brown? Yeah, it's kind of brown. Let's see if we can zoom in on this thing. What is it? I can't tell what it says on there. Maybe Uto? I don't know. Definitely not a Cherry MX switch, but it's fine. I use these kind of switches all the time. And, frankly, they're pretty good. Let's do a quick sound test. Yeah, not bad. Yeah. Oops, of course, irritating windows. Yeah, so yeah, I think it's quite a nice little board for 10 bucks. So let's give it a shot, and we'll see you in the next one.